Well, welcome back to the Surfer and Jello Show, Chef Frankie. We have some used barbecue grills, rusty and crusty, and the ones we used from before. Now, we've always used Kingsford, and we showed them videos and talked to them, nothing. So we stopped by Walmart, got some foam cleaner for the grill. Now, we've never used this at all, never. And move this up so you can see me a little better. Do this. I guess that don't matter, but we want you to see all this. So, supposed to be you just spray it down, spray it good, and we're going to spray it nice and heavy, everybody. We never use this, don't know. It's supposed to be safe. It's a grill cleaner. These are grills. Okay. Flip these over. You see that's white. Ooh, it's eating the grease on there. That's what it's supposed to do. This. Now we're in the hot sun here in Florida. It is feeling like in the hundreds. Okay. You're just gonna soak these down. This simple. We shook the can. Make sure you do this well ventilated. And watch out. There's a strong scent to it. It does not say how long to sit it on here for the product to sit. So, there. So it's working in. Okay. Make sure you guys can see this. And bring you up close. We want you to see how it's working. Hey, look at this stuff. That is eating the grease. Eating the grease. Now, here's the thing. Before, we've always said never use a wire brush. But, when we did the last barbecue, we did use a wire brush to try and get some of this stuff clean. Seriously, that stuff is strong. Well ventilated. Use it well ventilated. So we're going to let it sit on here for a bit, because it's not really saying much about how long to let it sit. It's supposed to be safe. As you can see, it says Walmart. They're not endorsing us, so we wouldn't mind. But like I said, we're going to let it sit there for a bit, and we're going to see if we can just rinse it right off. So we'll be back. Hope everyone is staying hydrated. It's still frozen in some areas. Stay warm. You'll probably have to find some grill grade paint. I would not use engine paint for automobiles, because your food is going on here. Unless you turn these in to grades you use for charcoal. But still, if you turn them to charcoal, you can leave them kind of rusty. But oil them up, yeah. See? Rusty and crusty. You still are. So that's cooked on there. These are old. These grades are old. So you may not get that off. You'll have to use actually a power tool that grinds down on metal, wire brush or whatever you might find. See? To take some of it off. So, like I said, if you don't want to do that, oil these up real good, then use them for your charcoal. See? Yeah. Well, we didn't think those would come out very, like, brand new. You know, when they're heavily used, don't expect them to come out like brand new. Clean up the hands. I clean them up when we get inside. But, like I say, the product works pretty well. Product works pretty well. Like I say, it's a Walmart product. They're not endorsing us. But for the newer ones that you keep oiled and cleaned, it did pretty good. So, if you need a grill cleaner, the Walmart one's not bad. Give it a try. Say we use Kingsford, but and the other one didn't go too well. Thanks for tuning in to the Surfer Joe Show. Frankie, cowabunga.